So we have our tail and our fins on our body, and it's time to add the head. I'm going to add it in black so that the eyes eventually stand out against it. We're just going to attach the pipe cleaners at about this point in the body. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that we leave a little excess to create that rounded effect of the fish, so that when we come back to the other side, we're wrapping, leaving the excess, and doing the same thing so it's a rounded shape for the fish's body. We're going to wrap that around, and since we have a lot of extra here, we're just going to cut that off. And make sure that the ends are all the way tucked in. We're going to continue to do that all the way up to the very tip of the face. And we want to do these pretty close together so that we have a good surface for adding tissue paper, eyes, things like that. Any kind of embellishments. We want to make sure that these are staying close together and allowing the same amount of give, getting closer and closer as we get closer to the nose.